Hello everyone, welcome back to my maths video. So in this video we will do the question number 6. Okay, so in the previous video I have solved up to question number 5. Okay, so let's do this. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square number. Okay, find the square root of the square number so obtained. So this question is similar to question number 5, but what is the difference? The difference is in question number 5 it was given that what number should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Here the question is what number should be divided to get a perfect square number. Okay, and same you have to find the square root here also, here also. Okay, so let's do this. So 252. So first of all you have to do what you have to do, you have to factorize it, and this is not a perfect square. Okay, so let's do it. So students, you can see here I have factorized this number, and this 2 and 2 is pairing, 3 and 3 pairing, and 7 is not paired. So here prime factor 7 does not have its pair. If we divide 252 by 7, now we have to divide it because in the question the divide is given, no multiplication. That means now if we divide 7 both sides. Why we have to divide 7 both sides? Because 7 has do not has any pair. So if the 7 goes, okay, then now it will become a pair and it will become a perfect square. Okay, so to become a perfect square there should always be a pair of numbers. So here one extra 7 is there. To remove this 7 we have to divide by 7. So here also divide and this side also divide. So you know that both sides you have to do the division. Like multiplication also we did both sides. So if we divide 252 by 7, then the number will become a perfect square. Understood? Why we divide by 7? Because it does not have a pair. So if we remove this 7, then it will become a perfect square. So to obtain a perfect square, we have to divide 7 both sides. Okay. Now see, now 7 is dividing both sides. So here divide by 7 and here divided by 7. That means it is gone now. It is removed. 7 by 7 is cut. Okay. 7 by 7 is cut. Now 252 divided by 7 is coming out 36, and here again you have to write same as it is. Now they are making a pair. Now root over 36, that means square root of 36 what? Now we will write the common one. 2 and 2 common is 2 and 3 and 3 common is 3. So 36 square root is what? 2 into 3, 6. Okay, square root 36 is 6. Understood? So what smallest number we got? We got 7. The smallest number we got is 7. And the square root we got is 6. So here you will write like this. Hence the smallest whole number is 7 and the square root of 36 is 6. So I hope you have understood how to do this question of division, okay, to make a perfect square. So in the same way you have to do rest of the questions. All the questions are same only. So whatever I have shown you just now, all the same language you have to write. Okay. Now question number 7. The students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all. That means class 8 students has donated this much of amount in Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Okay, each student donated as the number of students in the class. Suppose there are number of students is 30, then each student one student donated 30 rupees each. Like this it is saying. Find the number of students in the class. So how many numbers of students are there in the class? You have to find out. And total money is given. So how to find this answer? Simple. You have to find the square root of this number. To find the number of students in the class, you have to find the square root of this number. Then we will get the answer. Okay. Students, here you can see the question number 7. Amount donated by students is what? Rupees 2401. To find the number of students, we have to find the square root of 2401. So by the prime factorization method, I have found the square root like this. Here 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 and 7 is making 2 pairs. So square root of 2401 is what? For this 7, 1 7. For this 7, 1 7. So it is 7 7 is 49. Okay. So square root of 2401 is 49. So hence the number of students in the class equal to 49. So it's very easy, right? Students, here the next question is question number 8. 2225 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Okay, find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. That means you have to find the number of plants. How many plants are there in a row? So 2025 plants has to be planted. So it should be like a square. Okay, square means you have to find the square root of this number 2025. So when you find the square root of 2025, you will get the number of rows, and the same answer is number of plants in each row also. Okay, so do this by prime factorization method, then you will get the answer. Very easy. Only you have to do the prime factorization, only you have to find out the square root, then you will get the answer. Okay, now question number 9. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. Here you have to find the smallest square number, first thing. So which is divisible by each of the numbers. So that smallest square number should be divisible by 4, 9 and 10. So what can be the smallest square number? So what you have to do to find the smallest number of anything in any word problem, to find the smallest number, always you have to find the LCM of the numbers, because LCM full form is what? Least common multiple. So least means small. So you have to find the LCM of these three numbers. Understood? Then after that one number will come, the answer will come. That answer, that number is not a perfect square. Okay, that number you have to make a perfect square. Okay, so let's do this. So students, here you have to find the LCM of the numbers. The smallest number divisible by each one of 5, 4, 9 and 10 is their LCM. So you have to find the LCM to find the smallest number divisible by all of these numbers. So this is the LCM of these numbers. So LCM of 4, 9 and 10 is what? This one, it is coming 180. Now we have to do the prime factorization of 180. So prime factorization of 180 will be what? Same, this is only. Okay, so no need to do it separately. The prime factorization of whatever number will come here, that is same on the LCM prime factorization, and this one is same. So you have to write this one only, same. Now you have to make the pairing. So here we do not make pairing in LCM, but here in prime factorization we make the pairing. So 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 are in pair, but 5 is not having pair. So here this prime factor 5 does not have any pair. So 180 is not a perfect square. Okay, so it does not have a pair, this 180, so it is not a perfect square. So to make a perfect square, to obtain a perfect square, what you have to do? You have to multiply 5 both sides. Okay, you have to multiply 5 both sides. So here 180 into 5, what is coming? 900 coming, and here also we will multiply by 5. Okay, but we do not require the square root, only we want the square number. So hence the required smallest square number is what? 900. Okay, this is the number. This is our required smallest number, 900. So in this question, remember, do not find the square root of this 900. Okay, we do not need to find this pairing square root. Only you have to find the square number. So this is the smallest square number when you multiply 5 both sides. Then it is a perfect square number. So in this way, first of all you have to do the LCM, and that LCM answer you have to make a perfect square. So that square number is the smallest square number. Understood this question? Now question number 10. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of numbers 8, 15 and 20. So student, this is same question like question number 9. So this is your homework. Okay, so do this question number 10 same as question number 9. So from question number 6 I have given the homeworks. Question number 6, then question number 8 and question number 10. All these are homework. So in this way exercise 6.3 is complete. So I hope everybody should do this. Okay, and if you have any doubt then ask me. Thank you.